It's been more than 2 years since the BC and federal governments announced a major childcare deal.
By the end of next year, the average childcare fees for BC parents will be cut in half.
So did that happen? A new report from the Canadian Centre for Policy Alternatives says while childcare fees have gone down in 5 major BC cities, they didn't hit the federal target of a 50% drop by December 2022.
We have Kelowna and the city of Vancouver, which both have not quite met the federal targets, but they're close. Then we've got several other cities, Surrey, Burnaby, and Richmond, that have seen reductions, but they're further away from that 50% reduction in the 20 to 30% range, depending on which city and which age group you're looking at.
In fact, the report, which looked at 37 Canadian cities, says Richmond has the highest median infant and toddler childcare fees in the country. But BC's Minister of State for Childcare says when you look at the whole province, it has met the target.
Across the province, our fees are down 50%, and what that means for families is opportunities for extracurricular activities. What it means for families is opportunities to save a little bit of money.
Grace Lohr adds the province continues to add more $10 a day childcare spaces and subsidize fees for more families. But the opposition says the BC NDP government could make childcare more affordable for more families if it spent all of the money it's getting from the federal government.
Government has been sitting on this money, so parents were paying full fees while government had that money to offset those fees.
The province says the plan was always to carry forward 75% of the federal money in the first 2 years as the system builds up. The report says BC is among 3 provinces behind in reducing childcare fees, and it makes several recommendations, including implementing set fees.
Just so you've got a lot more equality between what parents are paying, and then slowly ratchet that set fee down to $10 a day, which is the long-term federal goal for 2025-26.
The report says 5 provinces and territories have already met that target. In Vancouver, Monica Gould, City News.